Let us discuss about dual behavior of matter. The de Broglie proposed that matter, like radiation, should also exhibit dual behavior, that is, both particle and wavelength properties. Like the photon, electrons also have momentum as well as wavelength. The relation between wavelength and momentum of a material particle is given by equation, that is lambda is equal to h divided by mv, where m is the mass of the particle, v is its velocity, and p its momentum. Let us take a problem. What will be the wavelength of a ball of mass 0.1 kg moving with a velocity of 10 meter per second? Solution. According to de Broglie equation, lambda is equal to h over m into v, which is equal to h means Planck's constant whose value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second divided by mass of the particle is 0.1 kg into velocity of particle is 10 meter per second. After simplification, we get the result, that is lambda as 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 meter. Let us take another problem. The mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. If its kinetic energy is 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 25 joule, calculate its wavelength. Solution. Since kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, v is equal to 2 times of kinetic energy divided by m whole to the power 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 into kinetic energy is 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 25 joule. Joule is equal to kg meter square per second square divided by mass of an electron, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg whole to the power 1 by 2. After simplification, this gives 812 meter per second. This is the velocity of an electron. Now let us calculate the wavelength of an electron. Wavelength is equal to h divided by m into v, where h is the Planck's constant whose value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. M is the mass of an electron, that is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. V is the velocity of an electron, which is calculated as above, 812 meter per second. After simplification, this gives 8967 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, which is equal to 896.7 nanometer. Let us take another problem. Calculate the mass of a photon with wavelength 3.6 angstrom. Solution. Lambda is given, that is 3.6 angstrom, which is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, since 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. We know that velocity of photon is always equal to velocity of light. So mass of an electron is equal to h over lambda into v, where h is Planck's constant whose value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second divided by lambda, that is wavelength of photon is 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter into velocity of light, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. After simplification, we get mass of photon as 6.135 into 10 to the power minus 29 kg. Dual behavior of matter. According to de Broglie, Every object in motion has a wave character. The wavelengths of an ordinary objects are so short because of their large masses, hence their wave properties cannot be detected. Let us know about Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Statement: it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum or velocity of an electron. This is the statement of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Mathematical expression of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is delta x into delta px is greater than or equal to h over 4 pi, or delta x into delta into m into vx, which is greater than or equal to h divided by 4 pi, or delta x into delta vx is greater than or equal to h divided by 4 pi m, where delta x is the uncertainty in position and delta px or delta vx is the uncertainty in momentum or velocity of the particle. Let us take problem on uncertainty, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. A microscope using suitable photons is employed to locate an electron in an atom within a distance of 0.1 angstrom. What is the uncertainty involved in the measurement of its velocity? Solution: delta x into delta p is equal to h divided by 4 pi, or delta x into m into delta v is equal to h divided by 4 pi, or delta v is equal to h divided by 4 pi into delta x into m. Delta v is equal to h divided by 4 pi into delta x into m, where h is Planck's constant, whose value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, divided by 4 into pi value is 3.14 into delta x is 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter into mass of electron is 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. After simplification, we get the delta v value is 0.579 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. This is the uncertainty in the measurement of velocity of an electron. Finally, this can be written as 5.79 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Let us take another problem. A golf ball has a mass of 40 gram and a speed of 45 meter per second. If the speed can be measured within accuracy of 2%, calculate the uncertainty in the position. Solution: the uncertainty in the speed is 2%, that is 45 into 2 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.9 meter per second. Delta x, that is uncertainty in position, is equal to h over 4 pi into m into delta v, where h is Planck's constant, whose value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, divided by 4 into pi value is 3.14 into m is mass of golf ball, that is 40 gram into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per gram, into uncertainty in velocity is 0.9 meter per second, which is calculated above. After simplification, this gives the result as 1.46 into 10 to the power minus 33 meter. This is the uncertainty in the position of a golf ball. Let us know the significance of uncertainty principle. It rules out existence of definite paths of electrons. The effect of this principle is significant only for the motion of microscopic objects and is negligible for that of macroscopic objects.